This is a video showing how easy it is to defeat these master lock number 5s with a hairpin and an old piece of railway modelling track. These are good quality locks, but this, like the P hole is not good quality. It's easy to defeat. Move about. These locks aren't very good for locking up stuff, as you can see. Just defeated the head. That lock was not. This is not a fake, as you can see. But look at this lock here. Does not just turn around with a bit of metal. It's definitely locked. These locks aren't very strong against burglars. I've said this in my bedroom, not in use, proper use, but this is my master lock number 5, and you tell how easy these are to defeat.